Hello guys, we are here at Lakeside Estate to showcase once more this elegant, beautiful 3-bedroom smart home. Yes, it's a smart home, and as you can see, a good work done, and this is currently a 3-bedroom house going for 1.7 million Ghana cedis, up for sale. Yeah, so the house, we have some bit of a garden or some plant over here. We have some LED light up there in the ceiling, and we have some beautiful finishes. We'll take a look at the interior quickly and try to appreciate it. So that's the hall area. Nice finishes. Now with this house, it's connected to Alexa, and you could on the lights, you could operate most of the gadgets from a voice command. So here is the space. That's the kitchenette. This is where the fridge is gonna be fitted. You have a microwave, oven, and a cooker, and a heat extractor as well. Wash basin. Yes, a very cute 3-bedroom house, but very spacious. So this is the kitchen exit, and then that's the kitchen store. And then from there, you will get to, this is the visitor's washroom. And then, okay, so let's take a look at the master bedroom, since this is the room that is very close to the entrance or the main entry point. That's the master bedroom. You have your wardrobe space, wardrobe area, as you can see. And then this is the master bedroom. This is the washroom. Great, carefully selected toilet seats, and then a wood cabinet to match. So that's the master bedroom, and then we'll try and then make our way to the other 2 rooms. So this is the first room on our right. Quite a sizable area or room size, and that's the wardrobe, as you can see. It opens to a white interior. And so this is the washroom for this bedroom. All right, so that's the first room, and the next room is on our, as you can see, this is the other bedroom, and then that's the washroom also. So this house is currently available. We have 2 units in the area here, and currently this house is almost gone, but still on the market. So if you are interested, you know what to do. Contact me, let's schedule a viewing, and then you can have this home. See you in the next video. Bye.